Aduanom ne adɔfo onyame nam na adom akyɛdeɛ so de ne nhyira ene wosra adom asɔfo akukudam bi ɛwɔ man mu ya wayɛ atenka
ai ɛkɔ kepo so du so ba ko bi so esi ho na prophet ɛwɔ fie ha si bebi sam bebi a kyese nyankopɔn ɛfa so eyi ɛyɛ nyama yi ɛde kyerɛ no na asase mpo me kura na me doubt no bebi nse ho o na de bi na kyese wabɛtena ha ɔyɛ na kyese esi yɛ no me hu dream pa esi ya na me kai me si enye asemi na eye prophet oman bofo ebetra fidi so ekan yi
bege
eno wa beka insa wa ha alinti prophet
boss
me ma kwa ba
ya
bibi en nwa kakra
sa
serious me obi aya eba ne prophecy ni sa revelation ni sa nyoma na aya na me doubt pa
o doubt it.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Aya na me doubt it pa.
Wow.
Na last week obetra.
Yeah.
Time yeah. You say be like we day for time Friday.
I'm say I don't have about 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah. About 1 hour.
And I just say obeka say be breaking news.
Yeah.
Say nyankopon ayi bibia kire. Na emra bro, emra na wo ka say we. In fact na I mean, then no fakra mami.
Sir?
Yes. No, me person me ma atiefo hu say ni say na ekoso.
Yeah.
So I just
we did you no.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, munu. Said no for be like oh, we e be one gari be didia me at the time na just all can you pay. Now few days time na me say accident dey say na me say wow. Nyankopon use papa yampa.
Yeah.
Now a few days time so me santi kepo through
yeah.
Yeah. And I say BC or now.
Yeah.
Who share pictures now? Winnie Badia no. Na me wo fie.
Okay.
Ana obi frame me. Na nso to. Yeah, ana obi frame me say menim edu jenfi number na.
Okay.
Na like oni please for
for accident side there.
Enti me send number na mo ni pa ko mi so friend dia.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
And see na me ho prophet my membra was my membisa secret ni den
me da se ma me fa enche kese na fa ma obi bia e bia ndadio obi first time wo tie me ene me papa no ma me papa ne me ma me no ma mo tie me yakopo enshiro mo bebre ma kwansma na crack don't rush ene Uncle Ben fita Uncle Ben braka kra police phone pay for muta my mbo for yakopo bless ni asofo mpanyifo yakopo enshiro mo bebre bema sawoka say me secret ni dan ya make a say bebre your secret is your power enti obi so ntime dan the secret dey kiro sa do be some say the secret ni dan ya make I just say my secret is my power
simple
me power so dey ntime dan dey kiro so I dey
oh my mom for you are you serious na ekwa me so na nyankopon da sa dey dey kiro
I will say Nat we are prophet how they be aya me betre fidie so me kasa te say dey na o kasa ekoso mu oh me say prophet dey dia okanya me adwene aye prophet is you be preaching the day before there be a prophet dey dia okanya me adwene nyame tripo say rade beye bibia anase bibi besia prophet dey dia ewrade fa no so eka kire aman so what you say enti sa prophecy oh me da last Friday ayapon asori me my council we ekofi me da on ewrade ka kire so obofo hwade bia omo ahihye so what you say no ke ko si sane ankwam hye ye na sane abayifo ahihye ana ewrade da na di kire me but ye bosom pa ye guso ye bosom pa but don't be say Bible says so that the dia no asenu so what you say that the dia no asenu but when you make sure say obi bi obeti sasem we bi so mo pa adi beti bi dey break sa breaking news here by empaibo not a empaibo oh it just say yama instances bi baby location mo dey some credit bi so the pemoja dey ade no o say ye keka bro ni
Sure,
bebre
okay, yeah. Who see me now so?
very good
Yeah.
so what you say enti na so be say me betimi aka say prophet ni de okanya me adwen
Powerful.
yeah
Powerful. Now, yeah.
no sir me dey be because me ye evangelist me ye teacher me preach o kemu me gira park ne marketing preach o me be dey say oman bofo prophet bi atefako na o dey Awurade di nkomo enti me be dey na ye teacher opo bi oba mo teach na ebia Mensa Otabo, Dr. Mensa Otabo, no, we are teachers in paying for the idea of teaching. But maybe a prophet.
We are prophets.
Maybe a prophet. Odifo.
Powerful.
So what is first name from Odifo. Obia de new one day.
Okay.
So what you say? And see, on my mouth for you, Odifo.
You who are okay.
You who are came.
Okay.
Say, Bonnie, and we see quite
powerful.
Odifo.
Na prof me kra say anka meba meko fie akra na say ni na mo frɛ me say na so ka say obeba
yeah
ya ti say accident bi si o
yeah
Winnie ba ho na ni agree say bia wo ka ho
yeah because so kra say obeba fi
ana me yam she me boom
wow
very serious
yeah
prophet Yankopon use o central
yeah I will say Bible say and I'm paying for say a domini street and I say a domini di asunta krachichi so what you say a dom edi di asunta krachichi me aka sa me nuanu ma sofo me papa no ma sofo na some commission buy and some be see no and I say breaking news buy no and accident bi ansi no the omo kan say be di ame
yeah Mesa, and I'm a catcher. Let me find my feelings.
Very good.
And some of them use the app. Oh, really? Or can be cake.
Maybe you're my mouth for Baba to wait here.
Oh, by side now by was breaking news. Yamushim.
No, yes.
Umba radio soon be MBA beside.
Yeah, then there's a pretty local.
Oh, by breaking news. Yamushim. I wish I say, organ so already did you yeah. As a bone and no. Yeah.
Now only Bibia. Not we did Gagajo say if I want to be to me as a successor. Say I remember your mom paya we did this time here and the cops in some basis a serious. So what you say? Now me I am dead. Debut me
sure.
Not I am there say Masha come na a babe. Now a bad baby so I you was a baby. I am dead. And it's me first I we switch here at ebusuya omowere asisi ebusuya yeah ebusuya no omonyi oka accident and victims yeah and this side no abandon dey command no sure accident isisi wo no Yankopon chichire ebusuya no enya me de na enya me de sure say ye na say Awurade da de di kire me say ka kire oman Ghana say bia ochina no say no Awurade say obi ada ho amenka kire say obi ada ho the 100 million bebe gu obi akotoku and 100 million so bank on the member say
so jubilant
my campaign kura but when I hear me they say yasham koma ye wu accident abi but I never come me say the Awurade pe enoye Awurade pe enoye so what you say hear me dey enti mafasa akwan we so achechire say Awurade chechire mo ye na ma do da kase bi so America ye nuanom asofo ye papa asofo sa breaking news in by say Awurade ka chem say ya pese yesi ohimba bi na kwara ne ye 2.5 years ya pese yi so na before any akwara ne besi so no ya pemoja sa sam no ba ye Awurade fam so kan Awurade fam so besi moja no bepe na be true accident besi si rough so what you say enti asam ne ba ye no ya papa sofo no o wedidi ame o my bofo re odidi me ya no betina me say na to menye di say te say okay ya me better radio soon can breaking news that
never
so what is
breaking
very good Bible mo e na Awurade Yankopon pe obi akasa afa ne mu no Bible say we nye obi bia no hotene ye bi say na asofo ni na asofo wo pa but o de fa efuponko so efuponko abuwa o na abor kasai bisa na asofo wo ho evangelist wo deacon wo prophet wo omo bo se omo ye bishop ni reverend for no more but awurade you be bia no what you the fefu konko no nti anya wo sa sofo pefu wo krom a awurade de fa me akwala we so but dia ade ba kwa me se bi basa no aya asofo pefu me fo mu ndi enwo man bofo na na awurade nyome awurade guso a one ye no na obi so osi oya ono ye powerful chen your mind bofo no mind bofo ni dia me na timiti bebre san commission ba na ade chi miti bebre but wo a tie be yo wo wosu ya kan say ibua ibunu wosu gbotie di wechi nat wo a wosu ibua eye bunu no wosu gbotie epamo edi wechi no me so di abere impu abere na nkati sansu gusuru me na moti edi mechi
asem kese
na what is asem we wo wusu impu a eye buduru o se moti epam o fa moti epam na me a nyam kopon de di abere e di aso mi ti so no di nkati aso e di akamuru me na moti edi mechi
asem kese
oh na say ade ba ko say anya wo na wo hye nkom na that means nkom hye na nya papa
yes say gani me ka say gani sana ye nipa
yeah
mentality kita no
say na te da na me ka me wo afiri yesu say wo ye sofo prophet na wo ye aso na wo kita nipa 3 a wo de wo ye konkro nipa 5 wo ye konkro be ready show do stage bi o kita nipa 200 300 400 wa kwa jeju ofri nyame so what you say ofri nyame enti enye wo say a member for yakopon da ehitase be di kinami a yakasa ye papa ye nuanu ma sofo timenfuo no e doubt some commission but oh amen
oh
yes sir
anka nyame na